Hi guys, I'm Mrs. Elliott for those of you that don't know me, and for everybody else, welcome back. I am so excited to see you soon. I'm here setting up our classroom and getting it all ready for the new school year. And I just wanted to share with you some of the things that are going to be different this year and some of the things that are going to be the same this year. So one thing that's going to be a little bit different this year is that we're going to be working extra hard to make sure that we're not sharing any germs with anybody else. So one of the ways that we'll be making sure we're keeping our germs to ourselves is by wearing a mask. Mrs. Couch will be wearing a mask, Mrs. Kirkendall will be wearing a mask, I'll be wearing a mask, Mr. Gokenauer will be wearing a mask, everybody in the building will be wearing a mask, and you guys will be wearing a mask too. So when I wear my mask, I make sure that it covers both my nose and my mouth because that's the most likely part for germs to come out. So every time you're in school, unless we're eating or drinking, we will be wearing our mask to keep our germs to ourselves. It can be a little uncomfortable at first to wear a mask, but the more you wear it, the more used to it you will get. So you might want to try wearing your mask at home before coming to school. Another thing that's going to be a little bit different this year is we've spaced out your desks a little bit more than we did last year. And to help with that, we put special smiley face stickers on the floor to help you show you where your desk should be. So you'll have a really important job this year to help us keep your desk on the smiley face stickers. These, along with making sure we're washing our hands and covering our mouth when we're coughing and sneezing, are all ways that we're going to be practicing not sharing our germs this year. But there's going to be a lot of things about school that are the same this year too. For a lot of you, I'm your teacher again, so you already know me. Our two favorite aides, Miss Kirkendall and Miss Couch, will be here to help us out. We're still going to have a lot of fun this year. We're still going to learn a lot this year, and we're still going to have a great year. So I am so excited to be back at North Dickinson. I am so excited that we get to be together again soon. Have a great rest of your summer, and I will see you Tuesday, September 8th.